Open the DICOM-ODIS project in NetBeans. Run the project to execute the application as shown. The login page pop-up appears. Provide the login details as your user ID and password, then click the Enter button. Access to the de-identification system interface is granted after successful login. Now click on the Start De-identification Process button. One pop-up window appears. Now you have to select the DICOM files, which are compressed into a zip file. Then you select the anatomic site, side, and image type from the corresponding drop-down list. Click on the Set button. It will verify whether all the data input is correct. The De-identify button is enabled if all input data is correct. Then click on the De-identify button to start the de-identification process. Once the process starts, you can see the status of the de-identification process.
Now click the Load button.
Once the de-identification of a particular study is completed, the de-identified study is located under the de-identified study list. Now if you want to move the de-identified file list to another media drive, you have to choose the respective media drive from the list and click the Move button.
Click the OK button. Thank you.